How to make a business ad video, and types of explainer videos to make, and software to use. Here's a list of the different types of videos a small business can make. And most popular video maker and software a business could use to make the advertising video. Hope you get some ideas that help. Also, look below this lesson for helpful links and other tips. You can create an explainer video just by a person talking. This is a person talking to the camera. They are casual and personable. You could explain about your store, answer questions, or talk about a product. Always focus on the needs of your customers. You can use a smartphone to record this video. Then there is the person explaining with animations. These videos have titles, thought bubbles, infographics, etc. appear in the talking video. Animations increase movement and attract attention. You can add animations using film editing software such as Camtasia or PowerPoint, and many others. Another video you could use to help sell your products is a demonstration video. A demonstration video is someone is showing how to do something. You can show how to use a product or show yourself doing a service. These videos are useful for answering questions. Other types of videos you could use and are perceived to be more difficult and expensive are animated videos, whiteboard videos, motion graphic videos, screencast, or stop motion. Animated videos could be 2D or 3D. These are very popular. Several paid programs allow non-tech savvy individuals to create animated videos, such as Toonly and RenderForest. A whiteboard video is a person drawing on a board or using a program with illustrations such as Doodly or VideoScribe. Whiteboard videos are useful when you are writing a lot of text. Motion graphics use illustrations that move about the screen using a program's animations or special effects. The program could be PowerPoint, Filmora, Camtasia, etc. Screencasts are screen recordings of someone doing a task on a digital device, such as demonstrating how to use an app or program. Stop action videos use paper cutouts, clay figures, action figures, or any object you want. Stop motion is a series of pictures where the object is moved slightly in each photo. When you play the video, the object looks like it is moving. I hope you found some types of videos you feel confident in using. Choose the style that best reflects your store's brand and is most effective in communicating your message. Thank you.